5 tips for making a good first impression. While you may have heard this saying before, there's a chance you've never thought twice about what it actually means. In the business world, there's nothing more important than making a good first impression. Make eye contact. Eye contact is vital to every conversation. When approaching someone for the first time, don't look at the floor. Don't look past the person. Instead, look them directly in the eye during your greeting. Dress to impress. There are times when you know you'll be meeting new people, such as when attending industry trade shows. There are also times when you don't expect to meet somebody new, but soon find yourself in the middle of an important conversation. Use positive body language. Your body language goes well beyond making eye contact. This also includes how you stand, what you do with your arms when talking, and your posture, among other details. Stand confidently, make eye contact, and keep an eye on the body language of those around you. Be warm and welcoming. The gesture will go a long way. Choose your words carefully. What you say during a first encounter can follow you forever. This is why it's a good idea to stick to the basics and focus primarily on making the other person comfortable with the conversation. Ignore distractions. Go back in time 50 years and this wasn't a big problem. However, in today's world, there are more distractions than ever before. Keep your smartphone in your pocket, don't look at your Apple Watch, and resist the urge to pay attention to everything going on around you. A person who is easily distracted is a person who comes across as disrespectful. Even though this isn't your intention, it's the way you'll make the other person feel. And that's never a good thing during a first meeting. Conclusion. So, there you have it. Even if you've struggled to make a good first impression in the past, there are a few basic changes that can put you on the right track to success in the future.